Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Binance US affiliate program, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official Binance US website. Navigate to the footer section of the home page. Look for the link labeled Affiliate Program. Click on the link to be redirected to the affiliate program page. On the affiliate program page, familiarize yourself with the program details. Locate the Sign Up button on the page. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to log in to your Binance US account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. To create an account, click on the Register button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Click the link to activate your account. Once logged in, return to the affiliate program page. Complete the application form with your personal information. Ensure all fields are filled out accurately. Read and agree to the terms and conditions. Submit your application for review. You may receive a confirmation email once your application is processed. Wait for approval, this may take a few days. Once approved, log back into your account. Access your affiliate dashboard to track your earnings. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available for affiliates. Start promoting Binance US to earn commissions on referred users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.